Hey guys, this is Norman over with SoundTraxx, and today we're actually going to talk about one of the least known products in our product lineup, what it is and how to use it, namely the SurroundTraxx. So let's get started. So the SurroundTraxx here is actually a sound system that will work with the Digitrax Locomotive and allow you to add sound external to a model. So you can add sound to a model without actually needing to put a sound decoder or speaker in the model. And this can be especially useful in smaller scales like N and especially Z, where you sometimes don't have the room for a good speaker. So the SurroundTraxx actually hooks into the Digitrax Transponding system, so we can have 6 sound zones, which allow the sound to follow your model along on the layout. So you could have a model running along, and as it would run along, the sound would shift from speaker to speaker. And you can configure these speakers in a variety of manners. So we have the 6-channel mode, which is 6 speakers. We also have our single-channel mode, which allows you to just use a one speaker setup, and this is primarily useful for smaller layouts. But we also have our 5+1 mode. And what this does is it devotes one of the audio channels of the SurroundTraxx to actually driving a subwoofer, so you can really get that good bass sound out of it. And you can actually use it in this mode with traditional sound decoders with a Digitrax Transponding module in order to actually get a very, very good reproduction of those bass frequencies. The SurroundTraxx itself is actually able to run up to 6 locomotives at a time. And it can actually store 99 different sound profiles for your different locomotives, which will allow you, and it can replicate pretty much anything steam or diesel. So let's go ahead and show you how to hook it up. So we have our speaker plug. This has connections to all 6 of these speakers here, and all this does is just plug into the back, like so. We then have our LocoNet cable, which will also plug into the back. And then we're going to want to, of course, plug in our power. Now at this point, you're going to see the display light up, and all of the things I've been talking about can be configured on the SurroundTraxx using the display and this knob here. So setting it up is as simple as that. And then you can also use any type of speakers. So we have, of course, several speakers in our lineup, but you can also use several different types of speakers depending on how your layout is set up and what sort of sound you want out of it. We have just dropped the SurroundTraxx's MSRP $150 down to $475. So if this system looks interesting to you, you can actually get a really good deal on it right now. So we also have a video linked up here or in the description down below, which shows a demo of the SurroundTraxx at one of our shows previously. Unfortunately, you can't really hear the effect very well on camera. However, I can tell you it is very, very impressive. You can find the SurroundTraxx linked on our website in the description as well. And if you have any further questions, you can email us at support@soundtraxx.com or give us a call at 970-259-0690. Now don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon so you're notified when we post our next video.